Fix droopy eyes in 10 days using this natural method. Are your eyelids a little bit droopy or super droopy? Don't be alarmed, you can get this fixed. Several ways do exist to fix this without having any side effects. Natural ways, not extra ways as sugary or Botox injections. Be it as a result of aging, smoking, or fatigue, we have natural remedies to help you out. These results come around in just 10 days. Now that is something you want to check out. Before we begin, please subscribe and turn on notifications for new content. Now let us dig in. This simple procedure requires an egg, just an egg. Procedure: wash your face thoroughly and get rid of all makeup and part dry. Crack an egg into a bowl, get a swab and moisten with egg white. Close your eyes and apply the eggs to your eyelids. Leave it for a while to dry. Wash with warm water and pat dry with a clean towel. That's it. This treatment is natural and should be repeated daily. You would get impressive results in just a matter of 10 days. Your eyelids would be as firm as they were with no extra cost. Thanks for joining us in today's video. Do not forget to like and share with your loved ones. Please share with us any contributions that you have in the comment section.